My name is Dr. Kristina Torrence. I'm a board-certified OBGYN. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about a normal woman's cycle, as many of us don't really understand what's going on. My goal is to really inform you about your decisions on wellness, fitness, fertility, and your mood changes. So a normal woman's cycle is typically 28 days, although 21 to 35 can still be normal. We're going to work with the 28-day cycle as I explain. There are 4 phases to our menstrual cycle. Day 1 of your cycle is when your menses begins. We call this the menstrual part. This is typically day 1 to 5. Some people may bleed up to 7 days. The next phase is the follicular phase. This is day 1 to 13. This is when your FSH, which is the hormone from the brain that talks to the ovaries to make our estrogen and progesterone, begins to rise. As this rises, it's stimulating follicles, which are our eggs, and then the estrogen begins to rise. This is when our energy and mood may improve. Productivity is usually a good thing to focus on, and strength training is really good during this time of your cycle. Then we have ovulation. Ovulation is when we're most fertile. Typically, this is a 3 to 5 day window. We get an LH surge, another hormone from the brain. Many people measure this using temperature, or they'll notice an egg white discharge, and then they try for pregnancy. Once the egg releases, then we slowly enter into the luteal phase. The luteal phase is day 15 to 28. This is when the progesterone begins to rise, and we may begin to experience PMS symptoms such as bloating, irritability. You may notice some joint discomfort, which we'll address in another talk. As the progesterone drops off when there is no pregnancy, we may even begin to notice some brain fog, some changes in sleep, more irritability. We can support this with some progesterone supplementation. That is not a contraceptive. That's actually bioidentical. This is the best time to kind of rest, stabilize your blood sugar, maybe decrease some of your intensity in your workouts. Then we start all over again with our menstrual cycle, day 1 to 5. Remember, during the menses, that's when we're most fatigued, maybe exhausted. Until that estrogen really rises, this is a good time for self-care. I hope this helps you understand your body a little better. Stay tuned.